Hey there, what's up? Hope you're doing really good today. I just got the new Apple AirPods Pro and we're going to be unboxing them and reviewing them to see if it's actually worth upgrading from the previous AirPods. Hey there, my name's Sergio with Serge Tech, and in this channel I do tech reviews and tutorials. So if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do so now. Hit the bell to receive notifications on my future videos. There's going to be links to all the information that I talk about in this video down below in the description. All right, let's get right to the video now. Alright, so here we have it, the Apple AirPods Pro, released October 30th. So here on the front of the box, we have a picture of the new design of the new Apple AirPods Pro. A little bit different from the previous design, obviously, since they did change the actual appearance of the new AirPod Pros. Here on this side, we're going to have just your basic information like serial number and all that good stuff. We're going to have an Apple logo over here on this side. Here it's going to say AirPods Pro wireless charging case. And then another Apple logo here on this side. And then on the back, we're going to have a picture here of the AirPod Pros with the wireless charging case that they come with. It's a bigger case, much bigger than the previous AirPods first and second gen. All right, so let's open this up now. So like the usual, here we have your standard little Apple pamphlet designed by Apple in California. Here we're probably going to have your start guide, terms and condition, and most likely an Apple sticker around here somewhere. Let's see if we can find the Apple sticker. Or maybe not. I guess Apple decided not to give us their Apple sticker with these AirPod Pros. And there it is. Much wider and bigger charging case. Let's put it to the side actually really quick and see what else we have in here. So it looks like here we're going to have a little rubber earbuds so that you can change from small to large. And I'm guessing that they come with the medium ones pre-installed. And then here we have your basic Apple Lightning to USB Type-C charging cable for faster charging. Let's put this to the side and let's open up the charging case. Look at that, the new AirPod Pros. Go ahead and pull one out so that we can check it out. Look at that, they completely redesigned it and decided to add rubber earbuds this time, unlike the previous AirPods. So like I said, this one comes with the medium rubber earbud here. They have small and large sizes to choose from as well. Let's go ahead and first compare the cases here. So let's go ahead and compare them side by side. These are the Apple AirPods first gen, same size as the AirPods second gen with the wireless charging case. And then here we have the AirPod Pros. Look at that, the charging case is slightly taller on the previous model, but much wider on the AirPod Pros. And if we set them up sideways like this, you'll see that the AirPod Pros wireless charging case is bigger than the previous AirPod case. And that is because obviously you can tell that the AirPod Pros are longer horizontally here and the stem that hangs off your ear is shorter. So I'm really glad that they made the stem shorter, but now that they added this rubber earpiece here, it is going to stick out of your ear a little bit more. All right, so now that we've seen the cosmetic differences between the brand new AirPod Pros against the previous AirPods, let's see what upgrades and features you can expect to receive from the new AirPod Pros. So one of the main features that the new AirPod Pros brings that the older AirPods did not have is that the new AirPod Pros come with active noise cancellation. So with the H1 chip that the new AirPod Pros include, it's able to perform a lot more tasks. It also brings several microphones, an external microphone and an internal microphone to detect external and internal sounds and counter it with equal anti-noise canceling. So how it works is the external mic is detecting sound in the exterior, and when it detects that sound, it will adjust the sound that goes into your ear to be able to cancel out that external noise. Same for the internal mic. It's also going to have an internal mic that sits inside your ear. If it detects any noises coming from inside your ear, it's also going to cancel out that noise by adjusting its sound levels, by countering it with equal anti-noise and adjusting adjusting to those levels, so you won't be able to hear the noise that the microphones are detecting. The anti-noise canceling sensors in the microphones are continuously adjusting 200 times per second. The other cool thing about the AirPod Pros is that now they come with adjustable size rubber earbuds. So depending on the size of your ear, you can use any of the 3 different sizes, small, medium, large, depending on the size of your ear, so that it can fit perfectly in your ear and help out with the external noise canceling as well. Another cool thing is that they also come with transparency mode. To enable transparency mode, all you have to do is just press and hold the force sensor, which is this small sensor on the bottom stem here of the AirPod, and when you press and hold it, it will switch from transparency mode to active noise canceling mode. And you can switch it on and off depending on if you want active noise canceling enabled, or if you want to use them just like regular AirPods, then you can enable transparency mode, and it lets outside sounds in and allows things to feel natural. And this is especially good for when you have your AirPods on and maybe you're talking to someone or you're wanting to listen to something else. The new AirPods Pro also come with adaptive EQ. So what it does is it automatically tunes music to the shape of your ear for a better listening experience. Another cool thing about the AirPods Pro is that they are sweat and water resistant. Now, I wouldn't go throwing your AirPods in a pool or leaving them in your pockets and doing your laundry, because it doesn't really state if it's IP67 or 68 rated, so I would still advise you to be careful. Also, the new AirPods Pro come with this large mesh up here, which is where one of the microphones is placed, and what this does is this helps with improving call clarity when you're talking to someone in windy situations. And then the other features that the older AirPods 2nd gen and 1st gen also brought is that it comes with wireless charging. They all come standard with wireless charging, just like the AirPods 2nd gen, and the battery life and charging times are pretty much the same. So you can use it more than 24 hours by just simply recharging it with the case. You can also enjoy listening time of up to 4.5 hours with just one single charge in the AirPod Pro case, and you can enjoy listening times of up to 1 hour with just 5 minutes of charging in the AirPods Pro case. So you may be thinking to yourself, is it actually worth spending the extra $100 to get the Apple AirPods Pro, since they are $250 right now, and you can get the AirPods without the wireless charging case for about $150 at most major stores, brand new? You're going to be paying pretty much $100 for these new features, for the new design. So if you like this new design, if you feel that you will enjoy the active noise cancellation and transparency mode features that it brings, then you might want to consider spending the extra $100 and getting the AirPods Pro. It does have a newer design, very nice looking, smaller stem here, so it doesn't hang that much off of your ear. It also fits into the ear very good, so it's a lot less likely to fall off. And once again, the main upgrade, the active noise cancellation, which should improve sound quality for calls and for listening to music, podcasts, videos a lot better. So if you feel that spending that extra $100 for the improved sound and the new design, then you may want to consider getting the new AirPods Pro. So I got them. I love technology. That's what this channel is all about. So I definitely wanted to get them, and I'm going to be using them now and trying them out. And I'm going to be uploading in a future video a full review on day-to-day usage of the Apple AirPods Pro. So stick around for that. So that's it for this video. Go ahead and give it a like. It really helps me out a lot. And that is it for now. I will see you in the next video. And as always, peace. Ciao.